Things from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2006 Cadillac STS. Beautiful vehicle inside and out. Silver color with black interior, leather. Really nice. Upgraded Android radio with navigation, Bluetooth, all the toys. Beautiful condition. Tires are in great shape. Vehicle runs and drives perfect. Let's go ahead and take a close look. Front headlamps look beautiful. Look at that. Outstanding condition there. Very nice. Grille's in beautiful condition. Take a look at that emblem. Really nice shape. Take a look at the front headlamp on the passenger side. Also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Lower lights look good. Really nice shape. This one has a little blemish on it there. Besides that, looks good. Front bumper does have some chips and scratches. Nothing major, you can see there. A couple little marks here and there. Besides that, looks good. Hood's in nice condition. Very nice shape. Good shine on there. Looks beautiful. Front fender on the passenger side looks beautiful. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Really nice condition. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Does have a little touch up right there. Besides that, looks good. Very nice. Small little hairline scratch right there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the rear. Rear bumper's in nice shape. Does have a small little scuff right there. Little scratch there, little mark there on the bumper. Besides that, looks good. Lights in good condition. Does have a couple little marks here on the edge. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the other one, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Rear third light also looks very good. Emblems in beautiful condition. Rear parking sensors with backup camera on this one. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side. Driver's side rear quarter panel looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Very nice shape. Rear door on the driver's side also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Front door on the driver's side also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Small little touch up right there. Besides that, looks good. Also another touch up here. Front fender on the driver's side looks good, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Here on the bumper has a couple little small little scratches here. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in good shape. Does have a small little chip mark here. And it has also a small scratch here from the wiper. Besides that, looks good. Very nice condition. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a quick test drive. Take a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Has a little bit of wear and tear here on the handle. Nothing major. Take a look at the controls. Looks really clean. Very nice. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Also in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Rugs are clean. Dashboard, everything looks brand new. Really outstanding condition. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. This has a Bose system. Very nice. Passenger seat's in great condition. Leather looks good. Really in great shape. Rugs are clean. Very nice condition. Dashboard looks brand new. Really in outstanding shape. Look at that. Take a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful condition. Really nice condition. Look at that. Very nice. Rugs are clean. Looks really nice inside. Super, super clean. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful condition. Really nice. Does have an imperfection right here. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. We're sitting inside this 2006 Cadillac STS. Vehicle has 2 key fobs. This is one of them. Remote start on the key here. That's the one in the center. Lock unlock, remote start, power trunk release, and panic button. Okay. You just have to have that inside the car with you for you to be able to start. It's got a push button start here. So you just press the brake, just like that. Starts right up. This vehicle does have an upgraded radio. It has an Android system. So it works just phone. It's got internet, Bluetooth. Everything you could do on your phone, you could do on this unit here, which is really great. We'll take a look at that in a moment. But let's take a closer look here at the mileage. We have 114,078 miles. Very nice. All the gauges, everything's fully functional there. So we got lock, unlock, power windows all the way around. Really nice. It's got an information center here. You can actually trigger through there, see miles per hour, range, all that good stuff. Look at that. Very nice. Controls for the cruise control right here, automatic lights, control for the wipers. Really nice. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Climate control AC, 2 zones, you can see there. Perfect. Automatic transmission. Couple cup holders. Really nice armrest there with storage. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. You can see right there. Very nice shape on the dashboard. Up above here, we're looking at it's got OnStar. It's got the compass. Headliner's in beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Really nice condition. Very nice. Okay, we're going to take a quick look here at the sound system on this vehicle. Just want to go through the menus really quick so you can see. It works just like a phone. You have all your apps. You can download them through the Play Store there. It's got a connection down here for USB, so you can connect your phone directly there and mirror your phone on the screen. So it has YouTube. It's got all the apps just like on your phone. Works just as good. All you got to do is set up your share your Wi-Fi off your phone, and you'll be able to go online and do whatever you like here. Really nice. Let's go back this one. Go back again. You can go Google. You could do web searches if you'd like. It's pretty quick. There you go. That's your web searches. Go back to home page again. You have the controls for the radio there. Video, Bluetooth. Bluetooth, we already set it up. It's got Bluetooth for your phone, so you could Bluetooth the music from your phone, or you could just download Pandora or whatever if you like. It's got for images. It's got maps. It's got navigation on this one. Really cool. We all know how the Google navigation works. Right now it's going to come out where we're parked right now, taking pictures of this car in the park. Really nice. Put the address in. Just like any regular phone, the navigation is going to work just the same. Let's go back to home page again. And then we're going to go ahead and show you what the radio looks like. Can't have it too loud like that. Can't have it on too loud there. You guys can't hear me. So yeah, you have your memories there. It's AM, FM, normal. So that's what the radio looks like. You can scan for other stations here, which is pretty cool. And then you have your presets there. So let's go ahead and get out of that for a minute. And that's how it is. All right, so perfect. Here it shows you how many miles per hour you're going. This is for the radio. And then if you have any music, you can save music on the hard drive here, and you can play it through there also. Very cool. Okay. Also, another great feature this one has, it has backup camera built in. So when you put in reverse, boom, you've got your backup camera right there. It's got those 2 little lines tell you which way it's going. Very nice. Nice little option there. Put it back in park, turns right off. Fantastic. Let's take a closer look at the screen. I think it's a 9.7-inch screen. Really nice. Also, it has like a little tilt here, so depending on how the light's hitting it or whatever, you can set it up. So it's really in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Really nice extra for a 2006. You got all those accessories, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and of course you have the internet. You can go in there and do whatever you like. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to take the car for a little test drive. Let's go ahead and take a look at the backup camera, and this one also has backup sensors. So we're going to give a little close here to the screen. It's already in reverse, so as you go back, you'll be able to see where it's going. And the vehicle, of course, it's going to beep when you get close. So then the back, there you go. Backup sensor started blinking back there in the back. See that? It lets you know you're too close. Really nice feature. Okay, we're all set to take it for a little test drive. We already have it in drive. All set here. Let's go. Drives really nice, feels smooth. Feels really smooth. Brakes are good. Really nice drive. Shifts perfect. Very quick. Go ahead and tested the brakes here. Got to a light here. And that's going to conclude our little test drive here. As you can see, it drives perfect. No issues at all. Really an outstanding condition. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment, the trunk area, and take a look at those tires. The cool feature this one has, it has remote start. So you can look here. All you got to do is press the lock button twice. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold this button down. Car starts right up. There you go. And then another great thing about this car does have keyless entry, so you don't have to put the key in. You just walk up to the door and pull it, and it opens right up. That's a nice feature. And then when you walk away, well, we can turn it off right now. Turn it off. Then as soon as you walk away from the car, it will automatically lock for you. There you go, locked automatically. Very nice. Take a look in the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in great condition. Very nice. It has this Cadillac mat that on one side is rubber and the other side is carpet. Really nice. Guess you got to carry something or whatever there. You have that. Down below, you see the jack with the tools and the spare tire, which is also in brand new condition. Very nice. Really in great shape. Beautiful condition. Take a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. It's really sharp. 6-cylinder, 3.6 liter. Very nice. Really in beautiful shape. Really great condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great condition. Looks brand new. Really great shape. Look at that. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Really in great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks amazing. Look at that. Looks brand new. Very nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Does have a couple little marks here and there. Nothing major. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new, really in outstanding condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a little mark here on the edge. Besides that, looks beautiful. Look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks really good. Good amount of tread on there. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really outstanding condition. That's going to conclude our video for this 2006 Cadillac STS. Loaded up. Beautiful condition with leather, rear parking sensors, rear backup camera, upgraded Android radio. Really in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. NovaAutoSales.net. Thanks for watching.